Hi friends, welcome to a brand new vlog of Judos Dhamaka. This is your host and those Judos.
So I have watched the movie Malik that stars Rajkumar Rao, Manushi Chiller, Prosenjit Chatterjee, Saurav Shukla, Saurav Sachdev and others. This movie is directed by Pulkit. It's actually a gangster movie set in the 1980s, Allahabad, where we see a young man known as Deepak, how he gets involved in a brawl and enters the underworld and he gets transformed into Malik. Though, in a nutshell, this movie, especially the imagery, may be similar to Pushpa, but we have seen such kind of stories in Bollywood for decades. Pushpa itself was inspired from action masala Bollywood movies that starred Dharmendra, Amitabh Bachchan or Mithun Chakraborty. Now talking about the movie Malik, the storyline is quite simple. He gets involved, as I said earlier, in a brawl and he is now the underworld king. So उनके तो कई सारे दुश्मन होंगे ही, दोस्त बन गए दुश्मन. Saurav Shukla plays Minister Shankar Singh, who is almost a mentor to Malik. वो भी बन गए दुश्मन. And the MLA played by Swanand Kirkire, he brings back a suspended cop from Lucknow, Prabhu Das, a Bengali cop, a tough cop, an encounter specialist played well by Prosenjit Chatterjee. Now, Malik कैसे सबको defeat करते हैं, that's the storyline. The storyline has minor twists, but I expected something more from this movie. In fact, the screenplay could have been much better, and also the role played by Prosenjit Chatterjee could have been better, meatier role. And sadly, Prosenjit Chatterjee, who plays a granddad in this movie, he never looked like a daddu. Rajendra Gupta, as usually, he acted well. He played the father of Deepak, aka Malik. Manushi Chiller, in her short screen presence, performed well. Malik पैदा नहीं हुए तो क्या बन तो सकते हैं. This is a dialogue from the movie Malik. लेकिन ये डायलॉग सुनकर आपको शायद याद आ जाए सुपर 30 मूवी का वो डायलॉग, राजा का बेटा राजा नहीं बनेगा, राजा वही बनेगा जो हकदार है. Action sequences are well choreographed and there are many such sequences, but एक deja vu feeling तो आपको जरूर होगी. Actually, there is nothing new in this movie. इस टाइप के कहानियां हमने फिल्मों में कई बार देखा है. The movie is written by Josna Nath and director Pulkit himself. Now talking about the hairdo of Malik, it will remind you of Pushpa, और उनके जो अटायर है in general, वो देखकर भी आपको याद आएगा 2012 की मूवी अग्निपथ की, जो किरदार निभाया था ऋतिक रोशन ने, विजय, उनका याद. Huma Qureshi is there in an item number. The music is composed by Sachin Jigar, though that portion of Huma Qureshi could have been avoided. As Malik's close aide, Badon, Anshuman Pushkar, performed well, though his acting style will completely remind you of Vivek Oberoi. DOP is Anuj Rakesh Dhawan and the editor is Zubin Sheikh. पिछले कई सालों से Rajkumar Rao has been acting in more or less the same kind of movies, so this was a change of taste. Now about the box office of this movie. In the first 3 days, this movie has roughly collected around rupees 12 crores. So this was my take on the movie Malik. Hope you have liked it.
Do like, share, subscribe my channel, and also like and follow my Facebook page Judos Dhamaka. I'll be back in the next episode with a new dose of entertainment, new dose of Dhamaka. Hasta la vista.
Judos Dhamaka. Let's do the Dhamaka.